The BJP has been reacting to these pictures. They have been playing down. They've been downplaying rather when it comes to Nitish Kumar and Tejasvi Yadav traveling together, saying that this is just a mere coincidence.
कि दोनों अलग अलग मीटिंग में आ रहे हैं, एक एनडीए की मीटिंग में और एक इंडिया की मीटिंग में, तो चिंता होती है क्या कि जहाज बदल ना जाए?
भैया, जहाज में कई हम सफर होते हैं, लेकिन ये जरूरी नहीं है कि वो हम सफर जो है वो साथी हो जाए बाद में, इसलिए इसकी ज्यादा चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है।
कि दोनों अलग अलग मीटिंग में आ रहे हैं, एक एनडीए की मीटिंग में और एक इंडिया की मीटिंग में, तो चिंता होती है क्या कि जहाज बदल ना जाए?
भैया, जहाज में कई हम सफर होते हैं, लेकिन ये जरूरी नहीं है कि वो हम सफर जो है वो साथी हो जाए बाद में, इसलिए इसकी ज्यादा चिंता करने।
Well, as far as BJP is concerned, they say it doesn't mean anything. It is just a sheer coincidence that both of the leaders are on the same flight to Delhi. And of course, it could say a lot because in that over 2-hour-long flight, what may happen is something that there have been certain doubts that have been raised. There are certain concerns that have been raised. But right now, this is all about politics. And 24 hours later, when the election results have been announced, the man of the moment that we talk about is actually Nitish Kumar. He now has an important, a pivotal role to play as far as being a part, because remember, he's been a part of both the India bloc and the NDA.
कि दोनों अलग अलग मीटिंग में आ रहे हैं, एक एनडीए की मीटिंग में और एक इंडिया की मीटिंग में, तो चिंता होती है क्या कि जहाज बदल ना जाए?
भैया, जहाज में कई हम सफर होते हैं, लेकिन ये जरूरी नहीं है कि वो हम सफर जो है वो साथी हो जाए बाद में, इसलिए इसकी ज्यादा चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है।
चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है. That is what the BJP has been saying this is nothing but a sheer coincidence, as both the RJD and the JDU leaders seem to be traveling together on the same flight. Rather, it would have, it's Nitish Kumar sitting in the front row, and right behind him, you can see Tejasvi Yadav, his former ally. And however, we've heard that from Rahul Gandhi yesterday while saying even when it comes to other politicians that this is politics, everything can change. But right now, there have been certain reports of feelers that have been going across both to Chandrababu Naidu and to Nitish Kumar, because these two individuals and the parties that they represent have a very important role to play now when it comes to the coalition of the NDA Sarkar that is now forming at the center. We'll keep our viewers updated. Of course, the destination of both the leaders is same as Delhi, but from there on, they will be going to different meetings, one to the NDA meeting, the other to the India bloc meeting. We'll keep our viewers updated. Back after a short break.